Welcome, my dear students and friends. I hope you are fine. If you have a dream and you want to be success, you want to be a IS officer, you want to be a teacher, you want to be a professor, assistant professor, anything. You want to be a successful businessman. So you do your work. You believe on yourself, you do hard work, and you follow the discipline if you want to be a successful person. Always follow the successful person. You meet the successful people. You make friend with successful person, successful people if you want to be a successful person. If you have a dream that one day you will be successful in your life, so you make friend with successful people. If you make friend with successful people, you get positive vibe from there. If you make friend with failure people, negative people, you also be a failure. You also be a failure people because they give you negative vibe. My dear students and friends, always believe on yourself and to make friend a good people, positive people. Life every time not give you opportunity. When you get opportunity, you properly use it. You properly use it. You fulfill your dream. You apply your potential power, full potential power, as much as possible you can do. You can do. You believe on yourself at least at first. You follow the persons who already success in this field. Every day you do same work, same routine. You feel boringness, but for your success, that must need it. That must, my dear friend and students, believe on yourself. You do again and again and again and again for your success. Nobody can get you success without you do on your work, without you believe on yourself. You do your own work for your success, for your successful life, for your family, for your world, for your nature. My dear students, always do the main work, main thing. Do not believe on shortcut. You do the long cut. You do the hard work. You believe the hard work and smart work. You keep resilience. You keep patience. You must keep patience for your success. Nobody can success without patience, without hard work. If you want to success, you need it. Patience must need it. Must need patience. Must need hard work for your success, for your life. My dear students and friends, always believe on yourself. Believe on yourself. Do your work. You start a day with positive vibes, with positiveness. Start your day. You listen the positive person, positive motivational speaker, positive talk from your starting day. You do the positive work. You get up early. You do your work. That gets you success. You believe on yourself. You believe on God and your hard work. And your hard work and God, always you believe on it. If you want to success, my dear friends and students, you believe it. You do the hard work. I know one day you will be success on your field. If you like my channel. Please subscribe, share. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friend. Take care. Bye bye.